ready. Quiet on the set. Quiet on the set.
If you haven't, if you are new and you haven't, if you're new,
You know we'll have you do it again.
you're new.
No, I want that moment.
This is it. We're rolling. Where's our? Hi, and welcome back to Bear Food Kitchen, where we make delicious, easy meals using the Instapot. If you are new to our channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. We'd love to hear from you. Today we are making a super easy BBQ Ranch Potatoes. We're just going to throw everything in, and then after we release the pressure, we're going to add some Parmesan. It's going to be delicious. So let's get started. First thing we're going to do is we are going to add a cup of vegetable broth. Now I don't have the saute on because we are just throwing everything in. So if you are in a hurry and you've had a busy day like I have lately, this is like the easiest side dish. This with a little bit of chicken, oh, it would be delicious. It's just an easy meal. And that's what we need nowadays, everything easy. And I'm just gonna stir it in. That's it. We're gonna put the lid on. Close the seal valve. You want to make sure to hold all the pressure in, and we are going to cook it for 7 minutes. And then I'm going to quick release it, and then slowly we'll add in some Parmesan. It's going to be super delicious. Okay, so I cannot wait for you to see these potatoes. You could smell the barbecue and the ranch, but we're going to make it even better because that's what we do. We're going to add some Parmesan to it. Now it has some liquid in it, so as you stir in the Parmesan, it's going to melt and get ooey and gooey. These are the best potatoes. It's barbecue season coming. People are going to start coming out. And if you need to bring an easy, super delicious side that only takes about 10 minutes, here you go. Oh my God, so good. Gets thick and saucy. Put that last little bit. Okay, we could turn this off. You don't want them to overcook and become mashed potatoes. Ooh, their cheesy goodness. I'm gonna add a little parsley. Give it that freshness. That's it. Super fast, super easy, super cheesy. So good. Look at that. See that cheese? So good. And if you love ranch and barbecue like I do, you're gonna love these potatoes. Oh my gosh. Bring that over to your friend's house or make it for your family. Super delicious, super hot. I'll take a bite. Oh, they're cooked perfect. They're not mushy. They're still firm. Hot. Hot. Oh my. You are going to love these. These are going to be your favorite potatoes all summer. I hope you try them. These are going to be all mine. Please like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think. If you add anything to it, I would add maybe a little bit of bacon bits. Talk to you next time. Enjoy.